group of friends randomly picks a day every week to study together. So we have to list the sample space as, so list down the day of the week, the days of the week, which is Monday all the way to Sunday. Then B, let E be the event that the day they pick begins with the letter S. List all the possible outcomes of this event. So starting with letter S will be Saturday and Sunday only. So you want to write down these 2 days, list them out this way using equals bracket Saturday, Sunday. Then find the probability that this is going to happen, that this event is going to take place. So there are 2 days, right? 2 out of 7. So PE is 2 out of 7. Then find the probability that the word of the day they pick has the letter N in it. So how many days has the letter N? We have Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. So that's 3 out of 7 days. So probability that the day with the letter N will be 3 out of 7.